Okay guys, I'm gonna demonstrate the air conditioning here. Let's see, I don't know if you can see it. It's reading 90 out there, and we're down to 60 on the AC. I'm in full sun, so I'm trying to do it where you can see it. 59, 60, right around there. Let's see the temperature on that. Okay, thought I'd give you another shot here. So we are 79 degrees here today, and let's see, if I shoot the cluster there, that's 76. Up here we're at 93, but my AC is going between 60 and 59 degrees-ish, right around there. And this is still R12. The system has not been converted, but it still blows icy cold. Okay, we'll do another driving video here. I'll demonstrate the cruise control working. Set it at 65 since it's only a couple exits away. Foot is off the gas, and we are holding firmly at 65. Off. Resume. Doing nicely. Okay. Going to show the lights. These are the backup lights that are on the side of the car when you put it in reverse. Those lights all working there. The fog lights are on right now. And then headlights, curb light for the left, curb light for the right.